a summary video on APE. As you guys can see, we did break the 1833 price, and we are opening and closing around that level, and we're testing the highs at $19.51 on a daily. This is great. Only issue is we broke outside the Bollinger Band and then we broke back in and we closed. So that's the level that I'm worried about. If this candle does not make a new high above that previous 1950, then the retracement, I assume, will start kicking in and we will be testing downside targets. The great area for our support would be around $16, which is the 786, but the best level of support would be around $14.57. Losing this 21 EMA on a daily and this $14.57 and we closing below it would start bringing those lower targets into play. But I know that there's some news coming out for this asset over the weekend, so I can understand why everyone is very bullish. But I just want you to have your upper target in mind right here. This is where I would be looking for this extension to go to at $25.16. And then if we do take a pause over here, I want you guys to keep these retracements in mind. The 786 and the 618 level, which is 1450 and the $16 for the retracement to come into this level and before it goes back up. So say the news comes out tomorrow and then we start seeing a sell-off. Well, if the sell-off comes and we can hold this level, we still have an opportunity to test again into here and then back up to this $21 level. Or what can happen is, I'll use a different color, we can also have a sell-off that is much larger, and then it goes into the 618, test the 718, test this, goes back, test this, comes back, and then we go to the top side. So those are two levels of possible price action. That's if we get a retracement. And if we can close above this 1950 in the next 11 hours for the day, then we can start just consolidating here. And then we can go sideways right here, stop at the 1833, and then start going up. Maybe go some sideways over here, go back up, and then we can test into this 25 area. So those are three possible scenarios. Either we have a retracement now to the 786 and then go sideways and up, or we have a deeper retracement to the 618, go sideways and up, or the most shallow retracement to the 1833 previous high, retest this previous high, and then go up and try to get to the $25 area retracement projection. So those are three areas that of scenarios that we can play out, and this is on a daily time frame, so it's going to take some time. We got to wait all day today to see if we can even hold the $1833 level. If we can hold that $1833 level and 8 p.m. closes, and we can look for some more upside movement. But the fact that we rejected into the Bollinger Band and we're testing off the Bollinger Band, I can see us going sideways and a little bit down before we go up. So just keep all those things in mind. I don't want anyone getting too euphoric and losing money due to the fact that people are trading with their emotions as opposed to the way they should be. Looking at the 4-hour, we can see there's a lot of strength going on. We are being supported off the 21 consistently. But like I said, this wick right here off this Bollinger Band is showing you weakness. As long as this weakness comes in to this 1833, and then we could go back up, that'd be great. If we go deeper, this 21 is the next level of support. And let's hope that that holds us up at around $17.85. And if we can't hold at $17.85, we have the 786 over here at $16. So even if we lose this 21, it's not. So knowing that the 21 is a level of support, if you are trying to enter this position, you can just be patient for the retracement to come in. Or if you are not going to wait and you want to enter in right now, that's totally okay. You can do whatever you want to do. But what you can do is have a stop loss right at the 1833 if you're entering right now. But you can see the selling is about to start right now on a 4-hour time scale. So you have a whole 3 hours and 20 minutes to wait and see what this asset wants to do. Since the bullish news is there, if we break this level here to the top side, you have all the room in the world to go up because this is an all-time new high. Okay, and then we have our extension to the top side where we expect it to go, which is $25.16. If we can't hold this level and we start losing it, our first level of support is at 1833, and then comes in the 21 EMA at $17.75. Going under here, you have this 786 as support and this 55 EMA and the bottom of the Bollinger Band at $16.33. Losing these levels, I would be very, very defensive on if I'm going to hold this asset or not, because a deep retracement can come in all the way to the 200, which is this golden pocket where I would be liking to enter a position in the first place, which is at $14.57. I don't know if this is going to happen before the news occurs or after the news occurs, but these are all levels that I would be keeping in mind as I trade. Only way you'll know what's going to happen is when the price tells you. So if price starts breaking above this high, you know that you can shoot for $25 with the stop loss right under this high. If the price starts going down, you know you could take your profits now and then wait for a reposition off the 21 or the 55, whatever comes. You have to watch these volume and the 4-hour candle closes to know a little bit better. The last thing I wanted to point out to you guys before I let you guys go on the 4-hour, I'll draw it. Actually, I'm going to go to the daily to draw this channel. You can see price is clearly trying to stay within a certain range. Let's just say that's the top. Send that a little bit. And this might be to the breakout over here. And then I'll watch this on a 4-hour. So you can see how clean that price action has been bouncing around this channel, right? If we go to the upside, we want to break above this high, yes, but we want to get on top of this channel, have candles closing above this channel, and then we could go back to the top side. If we go into this channel and we reject off, then you know that, hey, the middle of this channel is going to act as support, and breaking under the middle of the channel, then you know you have to be a little bit more defensive. And this midline is this dotted line right here. So this channel is a great visual representation of what price is doing. If we're rejecting off the Bollinger Band and we're going towards the middle of the channel, there's your opportunity to enter, or where you want to stop loss or take profit depending on when you entered this asset. So keep all that in mind, excuse me. And then if this wants to go to the upside, you have this level right here. If you have not entered, you can wait for the price to break, open and close here, and then you could enter here with a tight stop loss right underneath. So there's multiple ways to play this position. It's up to you and how much risk you want to take. Aside from that, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell button for notifications so you get real-time updates to use this information to your advantage. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day, guys. Be safe. If you have any issues, anything you want to know, just ask me. I will get to you ASAP. Thank you so much for making this channel a success. I hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.